Hi, I'm Ramesh Babu. In this video, I will show you how to draw an apple. I'm using lemon yellow as a base layer. I'm drawing directly with my brush. If you are a beginner, you can draw the sketch with pencil. Then you can paint with brush like this. I'm just filling this lemon green with, it's just a basic layer. Then I am adding forest green to create some volume. This picture I'm leaving the left side as highlights. The light is coming from the left side direction, so I'm adding all the shadows and depth details in the right side area. I'm just wiping colors in the highlighted area. And now I'm happy with the base layer. Now I'm mixing burnt sienna and forest green to paint the stem. Now it's a combination of sap green, burnt sienna and forest green to create that depth area. It should be gradient. The mixing should be gradient like this. Now I am adding another layer of diluted forest green. And I am trying to mix that shade. and now I'm happy with this painting, and I would like to paint the shadows. I'm using burnt sienna and forest green and black to paint these shadows. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please share to your friends, and thanks for watching, and let me know your feedback. Thank you.